Hello friends, we have seen network function virtualization NFV is a technology which leverages virtualization to consolidate to the heterogeneous network devices and which is a complementary to the SDN, that is software defined networks, and NFV provides an infrastructure on which SDN can run. Key elements, we have seen key elements of NFV, VNF, virtualized network function, NFV infrastructure, which includes compute, network, and storage resources that are virtualized, and NFV management and orchestration. We'll see now the NFV use case. NFV can be used to virtualize the home gateway. So whatever home gateway we are getting inside our home network, NFV can be used to virtualize this entire home gateway. The NFV infrastructure in the cloud hosts a virtualized home gateway. So NFV infrastructure in the cloud hosts this virtualized home gateway. The virtualized gateway provides private IP addresses to the devices in the home. Virtualized home gateway and NFV infrastructure. The virtualized gateway provides private IP addresses to the devices in the home. You can see home network, which includes refrigerators, smart washers, single board computers, lights, door window sensors, laptops, smartphones, tablets, VoIP phone, voice over internet protocol, IPTV, internet protocol television. So all these devices inside a home network are connected wireless access point layer 2 device through which to a public network, that is virtualized home gateway with NFV infrastructure, which is hosted on cloud, which provides a private IP addresses to the devices in the home. The virtualized gateway also connects to the network services such as voice over internet protocol and IPTV, internet protocol television, through which you can watch the television. That can be your cable network, Netflix, YouTube, whatever, all those televisions which are provided on internet protocol, you can watch by using this virtualized home gateway NFV infrastructure. So NFV can be used to virtualize the home gateway. The NFV infrastructure in the cloud host a virtualized home gateway. The virtualized gateway provides IP addresses, private IP addresses. Remember, private IP addresses to the devices in the home. The virtualized gateway also connects to the network services such as VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, IPTV, Internet Protocol Television.